Hi friends, welcome to our very first video of our members only channel. Since I have already uploaded all the basic exercises, I'm going to start from Geetam, which is also very auspicious as it is on Lord Ganesha, and it is set to a very beautiful ragam Malahari. Malahari is a janyam of Maya Malavagaulai. Janya raga is a raga which has one or two, three or four notes less than the parent ragam. So parent ragam is always a Melakatta ragam which has got all the 7 notes. So for Malahari, Maya Malavagaulai is a parent ragam. So it has got the same qualities of Maya Malavagaulai, same gamakas, but with one or two notes missing from Maya Malavagaulai. Malam means toxin, Hari means removal. So Malahari is a beautiful ragam which removes all the toxins from our body. So when the chakras get activated while listening to a ragam or singing, it really clears up our toxins from the body, which I have really witnessed when I do music therapy to autistic kids. They get rid of all the toxins, they get away of constipation and other urinary tract related issues. I have set my veena to E scale. So this is my open string. So kindly tune your veenas to E scale when we start. The Aroganam and Avaroganam of Malahari is Sa Re Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa Sa Re Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. I'll sing the notes of the Geetam and then I'll show how to play it on Veena. It is based on the Ragam Rupakam. So first is Dhritam, then Lagu. So Dhritam is tapping and waving and Lagu is tapping and counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever we tap, we have to do the Talam. Ma pa da sa sa re re sa da pa ma pa re ma pa da ma pa da pa ma ga re sa sa re ma ga re sa re ga re sa. Here in the book it is given sa re ma ga re. Either we can sing like that or we can bring that re to front. Sa re ma. Both are correct. Re ma pa da ma pa da pa ma ga re sa sa re ma ga re sa re ga re sa. This is about the swaram. Coming to the lyrics. Shri Gananada Sinduravarna Karuna Sagara Karivadana Lambodara Kumikara Ambasuta Amaravinuta Lambodara Lakumikara. Second paragraph is and third paragraph are same like first paragraph, only the lyrics are different. Siddha Charana Gana Se सिद्धि विनायक ते नमो नमो लंबोदर लकुमिकरा बासुत अमर विनुत लंबोदर लकुमिकरा सकल विद्या आदि पूजित सर्वोत्तम ते नमो नमो लंबोदर लकुमिकरा. Now we'll see how to play it on Veena. This is my open string Sa, second string Pa. So you need to play Sa from the Ma, same as Ma position, second string is your Sa. So always for Malahari, Sa should be played on second string Sa position, and Re in Sa, modulating Sa you get Re. Same way for Da, we need to modulate Pa to get Da. Da, Sa, Sa, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Don't give too many gamakas and too short gamakas. Both will not sound nice. So when we do gamakas, it should be slow and steady. Not like that. Not short gamakas and fast, slow. Da, Sa, Da in Pa, Re in Sa. So first line, Ma, Pa, Da, Sa, Sa, Re. Re, Sa, Da, Pa, Ma, Pa. Da, Ma, Pa, like that. Even though it is Ma, Pa, we are playing that Pa gamakam and then go to Ma. Pa, Da, Ma, Pa, Re, Ma, Pa, Da, Ma, Pa. Wherever there is Ma, we are going to play as Pa, Da, Ma, Pa. Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Sa, Re, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Re, Sa. I'll play one more time. Re, Ma, Pa, Da, Ma, Pa, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, sa. So here as well, re ma pa da ma pa pa da ma pa. So now coming on to the lyrics. Playing lyrics and playing swaram both are different. I see many people play the same way as lyrics, but it is wrong. Lyrics has to be played how it is sung. So wherever there is silent lyrics, we should not pluck. Wherever there is extension, we should not pluck. It should be a silent note. Shri. So we are giving that akaram and igaram. So wherever there is akaram, ikaram, it should be silent. Shri Gananatha, Shri Gananatha, Sindhu Davarna. Again. Karuna Sagara, Karivadana, Lambodara, Lakumikara, Ambasuta, Amaravinuta, Lambodara, Lakumikara. Siddhacharana Gana Sevita. Even though the notes are same, the way of playing is different because the lyrics are different. Siddhacharana Gana Sevita. Again. Siddhivinayaka Te Namo Namo. Sakala Vidyadi Pujita. So here So there is no adi sakaram. There is no plucking, but you need to do the talam. Sarvotama te namo namo. Amba Sutta Amada Venuta Lam Godarala Puri Kara. This is about the tutorial. I'll play as a separate video for play along. So this is a play along video for Sri Gananatha Geetam. So I'm going to keep Jalra app settings 6 beats, count, Nadai 2 style, 70 metronome, E scale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, start. Ma pa da sa sa re re sa da pa ma pa re ma pa da pa ma ga re sa.